Which fleet vehicle replacement plan saves you more? To the bitter end or strategic life cycle? Let's compare. Say you acquire a new vehicle for $35,000 that you plan to keep to the bitter end. Everything's great until it reaches a certain age and mileage. After that, the vehicle starts to rack up increased maintenance costs while its resale value steadily drops. Plus, the vehicle's risk of breakdown rises, diminishing its reliability and safety. When breakdowns do occur, driver downtime loses you revenue, driver satisfaction, and customer satisfaction. But you keep pouring money into the vehicle until it can be repaired no more. By that time, its resale value has tanked. On top of that, you need a replacement vehicle right away, so you're forced to pay marked up retail pricing at a local dealer. Now, let's rewind. What if you go with a strategic life cycle plan with the complimentary help of the fleet experts at Mike Albert? The optimum time for the future replacement of your vehicle is pinpointed years in advance, allowing plenty of time to order a new vehicle directly from the manufacturer, saving you up to 20% off the retail price. When your vehicle is replaced at the scheduled time, it's remarketed for a good resale value, which you can use to help grow your business. And of course, your drivers are much happier and safer driving a new, dependable vehicle rather than an old, unreliable clunker. To find out more about getting the most value out of your vehicles, visit MikeAlbert.com to start your free fleet assessment.